Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between constant versus read-only. In read-only. In C#, read-only fields can be created using read-only keyword. Read-only is a runtime constant. The value of read-only field can be changed. It cannot be declared inside the method. In read-only fields, we can assign values in declaration and in the constructor part. It can be used with static modifiers. The read-only field can be used for runtime constants. Read-only modifier can be used only for instance or static fields. You cannot use read-only keyword for variables in the methods. In constant, in C#, constant fields are created using const keyword. Const is a compile time constant. The value of the const field cannot be changed. It can be declared inside the method. In const fields, we can only assign values in declaration part. It cannot be used with static modifiers. A const field is a compile time constant. These are copied into every assembly that uses them. Every assembly gets a local copy of values. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.